Specialist Mechanical Workshop, Melbourne, Victoria. Trading successfully for 41 years, this busy workshop specialises in exhaust and catalytic converter and brake repairs. Additional income is generated through a range of mechanical services and testing, ensuring an excellent turnover. Strongly marketed through social media and direct messaging, most of the work comes through repeat customers and referrals. Trading from the same location for 41 years, the business is a registered VIC A-grade repairer and licensed test centre. The spacious, highly visible premises are located on a busy main road with additional car parking and a long lease. Currently owner-operated with 2 full-time staff, the workshop offers genuine potential for future growth. This trusted automotive business ticks all the boxes, so walk straight in and pay yourself a consistently strong wage.